Alexa, close my shades. My name is David Huse. I'm the owner of Theater Advice in Dallas, Texas. When clients meet us, it's refreshing. They know they're being told things that they're not getting elsewhere, information that they're not getting. There's no task somebody can give me, no job size too big. We look at every job and I just go, I'll do it, I'll figure it out. That's hard to compete with for somebody else because experience is not something you can just get, it's something you have to work for. I've always kind of had what I thought at least was a knack for picking out colors and design and things like that. And as of now, we've been in 33 national magazines, on the cover of one, and on the DIY network doing the Vanilla Ice project. But as we traversed, we started doing, just because of the nature of the business, we started doing a lot more automation. And so when it came time to do my house, nobody comes close to Screen Innovations. And it's really about what they look like when they're up, oddly enough. It's like a weird game of Where's Waldo, just trying to find Screen Innovations shades. What makes them different is not how they look when they're down, because when they're down, they look like other shades, and that's okay. It's how they look like when they're up. Nobody can compete with that. There was absolutely no question that I was going to put in my home that we worked so hard for, the nano shade. No matter what angle it's at, when it's put up in the window, all you're seeing is the clean front. And when it goes up, you're not seeing anything at all, which is the whole point of buying a motorized shade in the first place. If you buy shades over shutters, when you roll them up, it's because you don't want to see anything. You want it to have that modern, clean look, and only NanoBox can give you that. They were insanely easy to install, and then they were even easier to use, especially after the Zigbee 3.0 that I was doing a beta for. Zigbee 3.0 is insanely effective because it's a mesh network, especially when you've got other things that are 3.0, like light switches and things like that. As that becomes more available in 3.0, it's like a spider web. It's far more reliable than any other, wireless technology out right now. Here we're using Control 4. So I've got 4 kids hammering buttons around this house and everything works every single time I need it to work. I mean, I can talk to them straight through Control 4. I can control them through Control 4. I can schedule them through Control 4. I can remote access them through Control 4. And they work with the shades seamlessly. People are jealous of them when they come over. My neighbors have already commented that they want them now. So, it was definitely the right decision. I know it's cliche because their name is Screen Innovations, but it's literally what they do. They take something and then they go, we're gonna make it better now. We're gonna make it cooler, we're gonna make it look better. They don't just make a shade. It's hard to believe that some of their products can even get better at this point.